Hey guys! Today I'm going to give you my tips on wrapping a drop handlebar from a road bike. Remove the old tapes. Wipe out any residues. And then degrease the handlebar with glass cleaner. Secure all the cables with electric tape. Add extra tapes to all the stressed areas. You need a set of 2 bar tapes, one for the left side and the other one for the right side. 2 bar plus and finishing tape. Wrapping direction. How you grip it is how you wrap it. Starting at the bottom of the bar. Leave an extra tape to be stuffed into the end of the bar. Overlap and wrap from inside to out. Make sure the back adhesive is sticking to the bar and not the tape. Insert the bar plug. There are many ways to wrap around the brake hood. Most importantly, you don't want it to be too buggy. And you don't want to see gaps showing the brake lever clamp. Put on a piece of tape behind the brake lever. Wrap over the top and then go around the brake lever. It will hold up strongly and bring it back to the same direction. Continue wrapping it. And cut the tape to a point where you want to stop. Use electric tape or finishing tape to secure it. Always wrap it from inside to out. Repeat the same process on the other side.